Overhead press. Hold the barbell a little bit outside of shoulder width apart and place it on top of your clavicles. Squeeze your abs and glutes before starting to push the weights up. Slightly tilt your head back, arch your upper back, and then push the weight up directly over your head. Your head should get back in line with your torso as soon as the bar clears your head. The bar should be in line with your whole body when looked at from the side. Common mistake: pressing in front of you. It's a big mistake if you lean back and press the bar in front of you. This is far from efficient vertical pressing mechanics and should be avoided. It can also cause low back problems for some.